In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a state drop-down property in Hubspot. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are on the main dashboard. From here, look to the main navigation bar and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where Hubspot keeps the tools that control how your account is set up, including your data fields. Once you are in settings, find the section called Data Management. Click into Data Management and then select Properties. Properties are the fields that store information on records, like contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Creating a state drop-down property is useful when you want consistent, clean data instead of having people type in different variations of the same state. On the Properties page, click Create Property. This opens the property creation screen where you will define what the field is called and how it behaves. Next, enter your property label. Choose a clear label that users will immediately understand, such as state. The label is what your team will see on forms, records, and filters, so keep it simple and specific. After setting the label, move on to the field type. For a state list, you will want a controlled set of values, so select Dropdown. Select as the field type. This makes sure users pick from your predefined options, which helps with reporting, segmentation, and automation. Then select the object type. This determines where the property will live. For example, if you want to store the state on a person's record, choose the contact object. If you need it on another record type, choose the object that matches your process. Also choose the appropriate group. Groups help organize properties, so your team can find them quickly later, especially when you have many custom fields. Now click Load Options. This is where you bring in the drop-down choices that the user can select from. After the options load, quickly scan them to confirm they match what you need and that they are formatted consistently. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Create Property to save it. The new drop-down property will now be available on the selected object, ready to use on records, in lists, on forms, and in workflows. And that covers everything you need to know.